Have you ever wondered why experts always recommend adding a mint leaf to your lemonade? Well, today we're going to uncover the surprising reasons behind this popular suggestion. Mint leaves aren't just a garnish. They can actually take your lemonade to the next level in terms of both flavor and health benefits. Let's dive into why you should consider adding a mint leaf to your next glass of lemonade. 1. Let's talk about the flavor profile. Mint leaves have a refreshing and cooling effect that pairs perfectly with the tartness of lemonade. It adds a hint of sweetness without overpowering the citrus notes, creating a perfectly balanced beverage. 2. Not only does mint enhance the taste of your lemonade, but it also provides a host of health benefits. Mint is known for its digestive properties, helping to soothe an upset stomach and reduce bloating after a meal. 3. In addition to aiding digestion, mint leaves are rich in antioxidants that help boost the immune system and protect against various diseases. By simply adding a mint leaf to your lemonade, you're giving your body a natural health boost. 4. Another surprising benefit of mint leaves in lemonade is their ability to freshen your breath. The menthol in mint leaves acts as a natural breath freshener, making it a great choice for those hot summer days when you want a refreshing drink that also keeps your breath smelling minty fresh. 5. Whether you're looking to elevate the flavor of your lemonade, boost your health, or simply freshen your breath, adding a mint leaf is a simple and effective way to enhance your beverage. So next time you make lemonade, don't forget to grab a few mint leaves from your garden or local market. So there you have it, the reasons why experts recommend putting a mint leaf in your lemonade. Not only does it add a refreshing twist to your drink, but it also provides a multitude of health benefits. Give it a try and see for yourself just how delicious and beneficial this simple addition can be.